Do you want to learn a high-income digital skill that businesses everywhere are paying for? Then this is your chance to become a certified SEO specialist at odurinde.com. Our 4-week intensive SEO training will take you from beginner to SEO expert. This program is 100% practical. You'll work on real websites, learn modern SEO skills like on-page SEO, technical SEO, EEAT, AEO, and SGE. You'll learn to use industry standard SEO tools. You'll complete real-world projects that prepares you to confidently work with clients. You could choose to become a freelancer or work as an in-house SEO specialist. Once you complete the course, you receive a certificate of completion, and our supportive community can help you with finding a job. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and willingness to learn. Sign up today and get our early bird discount of up to 65%. You could be earning money as an SEO specialist within 2 weeks upon completion.